Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off email notifications on Twitter. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open up your Twitter application and simply log in with your account. After opening Twitter, swipe right on your screen or simply tap over on your profile. Scroll down a bit towards the end of the list and select Settings and Privacy. Inside it, go over to Notification Settings and you'll be able to see a lot of features and options to choose from. What you need to do is simply select the preferences option and select email notifications. It's generally present at the last, but if you cannot find it there, then you can always search for it. And after finding it, tap on it. Either you can toggle some specific options of your liking. Once you're satisfied, you can close it. And if you want to disable the email notifications completely, simply toggle off from the top of your screen and you're done. That's how you can turn off email notifications on Twitter. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.